It's Racheli from Fairway Mortgage, and we wanted to share with you some things that are going on in the market. Right now, this month, for me, it's the Jewish holidays, and we are working very tirelessly and strong, even though we have holidays like each week. And I want to share with you something we're doing for real estate agents. We have the Real Estate Secrets. It's a masterclass series that we're doing. I'm doing it with Darlene DeMarco here at our Fairway, and we're bringing some things to the realtors to show them how to become better at what they do. Last month, we did the NAR settlement. We showed you what to do, how to write some of the contract to make sure that financing goes hand in hand with it. And this coming week, we're going to have the CONDODEMICs. This is a term that Darlene developed. I think it's an amazing one because we do have something with the condos right now that's going on in South Florida. And you need to know before buying a condo or before listing a condo what to do to make sure that this condo is financeable. And if it's not, what do you do? And there are really 5 questions that you need to ask the owner on the condo managements. And there are 3 documents that you need to get. And we will here at Fairway, we have a database of condos that we have done. And we check also the Fannie Mae database to see if this condo has gone through the checkup to see if it's financeable. And we'll help you no matter what. So if you're a real estate agent, come join us this coming Wednesday. We'll put the information below to come to the class. But what's happening really in the market? I'm seeing a lot more people coming and wanting some help to buy a home. They've been waiting. Some of them have been waiting since 2018. And imagine if they bought a home in 2018. They probably would be sitting on such a lot of big equity that they own. They made very, very well. And the people who keep on postponing and postponing and postponing, what happens? They keep on missing and missing and missing. Something that a lot of people are not aware of is that there are a lot of people that are sitting on the sidelines, on the fence, to buy because they say rates are high. True, rates are high, but they were higher last year. And once rates will go down and will pull back, what will happen? A lot more people will jump in and want to buy. What would it do to prices? What do you think? Many say that it will drive prices even higher. Even Barbara Corcoran from Shark Tank, I'm sure many of you know her, she's talking about it. If interest rate goes by 1% down, it may cause prices to go up by 10%. The price of the home is fixed. What you buy it is what you bought it. But the interest rate, if you can afford the payment and you buy now, later on, when the time is right, you're able to refinance and get a lower rate if rates do go down like we are expecting them. And I want to share with you some of the people that right now are reaching out to us. There are a lot of people who are feeling the debt is a little bit like a little gorilla over their shoulders. And I don't think that ever we have reached $1.14 trillion in consumer debt, credit cards, loans, and things like that. That tell me that a lot of people are squeezing what they don't have. And if you're in that position and you need to alleviate a little bit the debt, the monthly payment that you have, we would love to discuss it with you because some people sit on 3.5% interest rate. They don't want to get rid of it, and I don't blame them. But there's some other solution. So reach out to us, reach out to me. And comment the word debt below, and we will we'll discuss, and how do we bust this debt? I'd love to help you do that. People need solution, and we have them. Some of the people that I have reaching out to me recently, I'm doing a loan for a teacher. I'm doing a loan for national. People are coming into the country. People are coming into the country wanting to buy real estate here in South Florida. Even though we had hurricanes, people still love living here. I've lived here for 40 years, and I love it every and each day. We're doing a self-employed person who is buying a home, and we're doing it without tax returns. We're doing it with their bank statement from their company. Another person I'm doing is a pastor. Yes, some of his people at his church, I was very fortunate to help them get into home ownership. And one of them was a person that was crying at the closing. And I asked her, "Why are you crying? Aren't you happy?" She says, "I didn't believe that this day will come." And I said, "Why?" Because 8 times before she dealt with us, she was promised that she's approved and then got denial. Promised that she's approved and got denied. I was so honored to be part of it. So we helped another person at the church. Another one is a pastor. That pastor came to me from one of his people at the church that unfortunately was denied several times by other people. And when we did the closing, she was crying, and I asked her, "Why are you crying? Aren't you happy?" And she says, "No, before you, I had 8 people tell me I'm approved, and then it was denied, denied, denied." So honestly, I didn't believe that it will happen. It did happen. They're very happy. And now I get to help the pastor, which I'm very honored to do so. Another client that I have is the kids of friends of mine. I was able to help 3 generations in many, many families, and I'm honored to do so. We're doing an investor loan. It's based on the cash flow from the property, not on any kind of tax returns. The other one is a refi for a business person. He's going to take that money, he's going to cash out from one of his properties, and he's going to buy another property. So if you want some more information and you want to know how's the market, please reach out. I'm Racheli. Comment below the word debt if you want some more information about that. And remember, if you're a realtor, we're doing the class all about condos, the CONDODEMICs, what you need to know, what you need to ask for to get documentation, so we can help you help more people buy a home. Talk to you soon. It's Racheli. Bye.